This heat pump tumble dryer from Hotpoint is ideal if you're looking for a model with innovative technology to take special care of your laundry. It has an A++ energy rating and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for better drying results. This model uses heat pump technology, which is the most efficient way to dry your clothes. Hot air in the drum absorbs moisture from your laundry. This then leaves the drum where the moisture is removed. Air is then recycled, reheated, and sent back into the drum to complete the drying process. This means it's more environmentally friendly, kinder to your energy bills, and incredibly gentle on fabrics. Hotpoint's innovative ActiveCare technology helps to reduce the wear and tear on your clothes. It works by adjusting the temperature and drum speed during a cycle, protecting your fabrics from friction as they dry. So, whether you're drying your favorite sweater or your Sunday best, your clothes will stay looking as good as new for longer. If you're looking for a tumble dryer with intelligent technology to take special care of your laundry, this model from Hotpoint is an ideal choice.